Thunderbolt II, affectionately nicknamed the Warthog, is a legendary ground attack aircraft built for one thing: obliterating armored targets and protecting troops on the ground. The cannon is installed slightly to the port side of the fuselage, while the barrel is on the starboard side. This makes the cannon aligned with the center of the aircraft. The ammunition drum of the gun measures 5 feet 11 inches and holds up to 1,350 rounds. Armor plates of varying thickness are mounted between the aircraft skin and the ammunition drum to protect it from enemy attack. The ammunition drum can detonate enemy shells upon impact. It's not stealthy. In the skies above the battlefield, nothing strikes fear like the growl of the A-10 Thunderbolt II, the legendary Warthog. Built around its brutal 30mm GAU-8A Avenger cannon, this flying tank spits out depleted uranium rounds with a sound known only as Brrrrt, a thunderous buzz that signals destruction. Rugged, armored, and relentless, the A-10 can loiter for hours, fly home missing half a wing, and rip tanks apart from miles away. It's not fast, it's not stealthy, but when soldiers are pinned down and the Warthog roars overhead, victory feels very, very close. The A-10 Thunderbolt II is powerful and downright terrifying for a few very specific reasons. The aircraft was designed to provide close air support, SAS, to friendly ground troops by attacking enemy targets, including armored vehicles, tanks, and forces. The Warthog is also utilized as a forward air controller, directing other aircraft in attacks on ground targets. The Avenger autocannon is a 30 by 173mm rotary gun, one of the most powerful guns ever flown. The gun fires 3,900 rounds per minute, taking approximately half a second to spin up to its maximum rate of fire. The cannon delivers about 50 rounds during the first second and 70 rounds per second thereafter. The GAU-8 is capable of a range of 4,000 feet 1,225 meters, while the aircraft is in a 30-degree dive. The gun weighs approximately 15% of the aircraft's empty weight, making it an essential design component. When the gun is removed, the aircraft must be counterbalanced to prevent a tip-over. When demolishing its target, the A-10 Warthog is known for its cannon's unique sound. The powerful sound of Brrrrt comes from the GAU-8 Avenger when it is fired. The aircraft fires its 30mm GAU-8 Avenger rotary cannon at a staggering speed of almost 2,400 miles per hour, which is a whopping 3 times the speed of sound. When an A-10 fires, the bystander hears the impact of the rounds hitting the target. This is because the rounds are supersonic, traveling faster than the speed of sound. Another sound heard is the sound of the gun firing. The cannon is so powerful that it interferes with the aircraft's stability, speed, and thrust. The A-10 aircraft was built around the Avenger's recoil to ensure it has a minimal effect on the plane's performance, including its flight path.